Do you want to make your living space stylish, trendy, and beautiful? Get all the inspiration you need right here. If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Subscribe to join the design family. Do you want your friends to be impressed by visiting your place? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com. Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.